Take a wild guess where I'm at right now. Yep. Had to come get my fork oil. Got plenty of that. And went ahead and got her a new spark plug. Just giving her the full spa day treatment. But yeah, so thank you, Kawasaki. We're finally gonna go get my fork seals changed, fixed, whatever, same thing. Thank you. Oh dang, somebody just smacked that sign, dude. What's up, YouTube? It's me again. We are going to Garrett's right now. We're on the way, so I can fix my leaky fork seal. It's still leaking and I ain't fixed it yet, but going to today. So I took everything over there already. I got the oil today from Cowie. I need to not talk as loud because I got the mic. I got the oil today from Kawasaki. No, I'm not gonna talk about that. I got the oil today from Kawasaki, like I've said 6 times already. I already had all the other parts I need, except maybe a bushing or something that Garrett mentioned, that hopefully we can reuse if needed, or we'll make a run to Kawasaki real quick. I'm not really sure, but we're heading over there now. We're gonna change that out. So all you KLX guys watching that are curious about changing your fork seals, I got you, dog. Don't even worry about it. I'm gonna make the how-to video right now. It's not gonna be a how-to video, but you can watch us do it, and then you can figure it out. So if I can do maintenance on a bike, you can do maintenance on a bike, dude. Ask any of the guys you see in any of these videos. Oh, look at them. Oh yeah, also, I'm in a long sleeve t-shirt today because it's like 65 degrees out right now, which isn't like hot, but oh my god, it feels so good today. So good. So I do have, what up boys? I do have a t-shirt on underneath, but you know. I just not be knowing. Ooh, that Civic has exhaust. It looks like a Gretty TIC. I used to have a Civic just like that. A different color, but it had a Gretty exhaust on it. Skunk 2 springs, steel hood shift knob, grip royal, steering wheel, K&N intake, an HFP front lip. That's it. Some other like minor things. I miss that fucking car a lot. No! We going, baby! Woo! Anyway, I heard the truck like downshift or something. I was like, alright, fuck it. Yeah, I missed that car. What's up? Oh my god, look at that dog. Dude, who's going right now? What are we doing? I wonder if we're all stopped for the crosswalk. Since we're going to Garrett's to work on the bike, I can give you all a little update on the cage too, because I haven't seen it in a little bit either. So I don't think he's made a lot of progress throughout the winter than what it was last time I saw it, but I might be wrong. If you know, you know. Hey, there's a Grom. What the hell? That dude has a Grom? I'm gonna stop in and say what's up. Oh shit, it's Garrett. I didn't even know this was your house, dude. I just saw the Grom out front, you know? Oh, I've just been riding this whole way with my turn signal on? That's embarrassing. Not the whole way, but from your entrance.
Which side's leaking, this side?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, there it is, there it is. And yeah, we about to fix that, but we gotta make a run. So we taking Garrett's Miata to see if it's still leaking oil or not. Stump man. Anyway, yeah, we'll be back. Progress update. Got the bike on the stand. Had to make a trip for a Allen key size, but we working on getting all the bracket and everything off. Just finding the right sizes. Also, I got these T-Rex sliders forever ago, and I haven't changed the wheels since. And I took it off, and my bolt's all crusty, man. This side was fine, but that side, it's kind of a bummer. All right, we got the tools. So yeah, we'll give you another update soon. All right, everything's off. You can see it's leaking. Not terribly. Also, I'm an idiot because I spent forever unthreading each side of these and then remembered that this bar goes through the end to thread them. So if you have these, you just have to unthread one side and then just pull the whole thing out. So anyway, yep.
Something good. Oh, something good. Oh, something good. Oh, something good tonight. Make me forget about you tonight.
The fork is off, guys, or out. So it wasn't too bad, too terrible. But when it comes to this bike, as soon as there's any kind of issue, I want to address it and get it fixed before it becomes a bigger issue. Even though I haven't done shit with that, and that's where I really need to do. That'll be the next project. That's bad. I might not even put that in. I might just cut that out completely. But yeah, so I'll be working on it. It's actually super simple to do for all you KLX guys out there. It's not hard so far. So yeah.
Get high, get the floor before you go. Matador, let's go color your mind, let's fall. But something good, oh, something good, oh, something good. Oh, something good tonight.
Your forks. There is that thing that's a clip. I think it's just a set skirt. It's a set skirt. And you have to put it in the same amount of rotations you take it out. So it took 6 rotations.
48,000 seats, beats and rolls, my memories of you. Now that I'm fully in, the matador's no more distract from you.
Well, you might be wondering, that is not a KLX you're on right now. And you would be correct, because I drove my car over to Garrett's this morning to drop off all the parts and my bike stand and shit that we would need to do it over at his house. And I forgot the actual fork steel driver kit, toolkit. So I'm going back to get it right now. Obviously, I can't take my bike because the fork's torn apart. And Garrett and his wife are going to run to Walmart anyway, so it kind of worked out that I'm going to go do that while they do that. Oh, the matching zip ties. I like that. Good touch. I love Groms, dude. They're so fun. I'm not even doing anything crazy, and it's just fun, dude. I'm just kidding. I'm riding a bike. That's always fun. There's never a bad time riding a bike. What the fuck? Are they getting over? What the fuck are they doing? Are you seeing this shit, dude? Another one, bro. Nobody waves, bro. Ritter. I just don't want to be behind her anymore, you know? Whew. Plus we got a Grom, so I mean, we might as well take a somewhat fun way home. Ooh. Oh. Skirt. We're gonna. Oh, I didn't red match shifting that. Sorry. Hang on, my phone is blowing up right now. Dude, it's amazing the amount of people that don't know how to do a roundabout. It's insane. It's so crazy. Oh! Oh! Anyway. You know what? I'm gonna go around some turns. Don't do it. Don't do it. Thank you. Fourth gear pin, dude. It's so slow. Oh, I fucked up his mirror. Sorry, G. My B, homie. Fix? I don't know. My B, dude. My B. Oh, he don't want the smoke, dude. He don't want the smoke. Speed! We're going uphill, dude! Let's go! Skirt! The handbrake, dude! It's so sensitive. I didn't mean to actually lock that up, but it's cool. Bro, how do you not know until the light turns green? Bikes!
Bikes!
I'm pretty sure that was Rebel. Oh, what up, Sheriff? I would love to pass another bike right now, like heading the other way, so I can do the head tap for the Sheriff in front of me, dude. I think it'd be hilarious. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be behind this guy the whole rest of the way because the jail is up here. And if I don't get to pass a bike and do the head tap, I'm gonna be big mad. I won't be big mad, but I'll be kind of bummed. Then I'll forget about it until I edit this, and then I'll be like, oh yeah. To left feet. Dude. I want a wheelie right now. You know, next to you, we're like, can I do a wheelie? I'm guessing it's like prisoner transport or something. We're behind the convicts, dude. I should get up beside him and be like, can I lane split? Ah! I'm feeling, yep. I knew they were taking people to jail. Not me though. You ain't taking me to jail. Full throttle, dude. 51. We can do better now. We're going uphill. We went down at speed. 52, uphill 53. We're trying to get to the speed limit, dude. Ah! 57, we're home. Woo! Hey, I'm turning right here. We breaking in. Oh, look at her in all her glory. All right, now he did something with the screwdriver over here, and now I gotta figure it out. Is there? How the fuck did he do this? Man, I really hope that holds like that, because if that's not how you did it and it breaks. This is the fork oil we're putting in it. So, brother, hang on. We're cutting that. Anyway, yes, Maxima Racing Oils, fork oil, 10 weight. So, that's what the bike calls for. And this is the only brand that Cowie had there. So, it only calls for 16 ounces in a tube, I think. These are 33, almost 34 piece, but we'll do the other one eventually, and better safe than sorry. So, yeah, shouldn't have to go get anything else. We should have everything now. So, yeah, this will be back together soon. Well, yep. All right, we pretty much got this all back together, except obviously this spring and it on the bike. But reassembled. Now we're just looking up some torque specs. Yeah. All right. Fork is actually in the bike. We're about to just line it up and measure it to make sure that the height is all good, and then put the brake back on, put the wheel on, and probably go rip some wheelies. So yeah, we're almost done. All right, wheels back on. Garrett's just giving those a little snug up. I'm about to put the plastics back on the front. We were gonna do the spark plug today, but we kind of each had to run a little errand in between doing this that I explained earlier. I forgot those.
I don't have a socket for the spark.
And he also doesn't have the socket that'll fit the spark plug. But it's also like 6 o'clock and we want to get some riding in. So yeah, we're just gonna worry about that later. All right, bike's fully back together. Last thing we had to do was put the frame sliders or the axle sliders back on. But she good. Front brake is all primed up. I gotta tweak it a little bit, but I can do that later. Yeah, I'm gonna go up and down the street and just make sure everything feels okay, nothing feels out of line or out of whack. Imagine it just doesn't start. Oh, you want to do Discord? Can you hear me? I got you. Yep. Yeah, I was kind of low. Yeah. Good? I almost just pinched my knee in between my bike and your Miata. I think I'm good. I'll follow you. Feels alright. Doesn't feel too weird or anything. Fat old wheelie, son. I see you just wobbling on it now. Nice. Boo. Buddhist man. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. See how bumpy that part of the road was? So nice out. I would probably definitely feel great in a hoodie right now, but this like isn't bad. This feels like I'm wearing a hoodie on a slightly colder day. Let's try this again. A little better. They're scary, dude. They're so scary. Did you tell Kyle we were on the way over? Oh, okay. Are you gonna say something about that Z? Oh, we leaning! Hey, there's a Grum on the right. Who is that guy? Yeah, I don't know who the fuck that was. All the gold forks, I was like, wait a minute, I was not ready for that at all. These are embarrassing. I think this kid on the corner wants to see wheelies. That's one way to break into the new fork oils. I just said fork oils like if they were essential. Dang, Lauren got that VIP parking spot now, huh? Oh, you scared the fuck out of me. No! No! I almost had it. Even with Frank right there, dude. Fuck you, Frank. I really don't want to wear my fucking sunglasses. But I guess I have to. Oh! Ah! I've always wanted to do that. I don't know why. Good day, good day. Got the forks replaced. Not replaced, just the seal done. And then we got, yeah, you know. Dude, none of the Harley guys wave. That's 3 today, bro. 3 Harley dudes, not a single wave, brother. Anyway, we got me and Garrett. Thanks, shout out Garrett, appreciate you, dude, for real. Fork seal, good, no longer leaking. We're actually looking at it. It probably didn't even really need it, but like I said, if an issue presents itself, I want to get it fixed and taken care of right away on this my baby girl here. So we had no issues whatsoever. It took a little longer than we wanted just because we had to, like, I forgot the tool driver, the fork seal driver, you know, in the fucking car. But it worked out, and now I get to enjoy a beautiful sunset on the ride home. But yeah, it's fun. I got to ride the Grum. Always fun riding the Grum around. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.